This is the first thing out of your mouth, the first thing they're going to hear from you, and it's got to be strong. It's got to make the audience say, hey! You've got to start your introduction off with a bang!
In 95 when my father was still alive, hip-hop hit my heart and I started to feel the vibe. I'd listen to Nas, spit rhymes too damn correct. I can't forget my donkey style and my Wu-Tang cassette. See, I was only 10, holding the band, hoping to find schemes, rhyming over and over again. At 13 I had a crew, we flow and hang out, and that's how I started rapping with the homie Bang Pow. He went his way and I went mine. He switched to turntablism, I perfected my rhyme. A decade later we met again and said, what up? We got to get together for tear the stage the fuck up. About enterprise and a dough making, but we wanna say thanks to you folks for donating. Peace to all the reviews and dope ratings, for those that bang they skull till they don't again. Thanks to y'all, we gon' keep feasting off MC, and we gon' keep performing, beat making, feasting for a reason. Peace to all you people, Eastern European, Swedish or Norwegian, Aussie, Asian, even North Korean.
I move around this world and I take my time. I ain't fooled by gold or the diamond mine. I don't ask for more, and I don't mind dying. But don't try to sell me, 'cause I ain't buying. You can take me, shake me, you won't make me. You can take me, shake me, you won't make me. You should make a howl at the moon for a taste of a spoon.